Top 10 things that shouldn't exist, but do. You won't believe these exist, but they do. Get ready to be shocked and amazed. 1. Deadly lake. There's a lake so toxic that even touching its water can kill you instantly. Scientists call it one of the deadliest places on Earth. 2. Bending stone. A stone that bends like rubber. Yes. It's real. Found in location, this stone defies physics. 3. Walking fish. A fish that can walk on land. Nature is truly insane. 4. Gravity-Defying Place. There's a place where gravity seems to disappear. Your eyes won't believe it. 5. Exploding metal. A metal that explodes the moment it touches water. Extremely dangerous and real. 6. Carnivorous Flower. A flower that eats insects. Yes, a real-life carnivore. 7. Stone Lake. A lake that turns animals into stone. Straight out of a nightmare. 8. Space Diamond. A diamond that fell from space. Rarer than anything on Earth. 9. Eternal Fire. A fire that never goes out. Burning for centuries. 10. Inaudible Sound. A sound humans can't even hear. Your ears won't believe it. Which one shocked you the most? Comment the number below. And don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable facts.